Hello, hello, hello sa inyong lahat ng aking mga minamahal na kapatid na star viewers. So, ang reading natin ngayon is, ano ang naghihintay sa'yo? So, we have here two candles. We have pile 1, pile 1, pile number 2. So, this will be my first candle wax reading. So, I have been like drawn to do this candle wax reading, mga kapatid. So, try natin this time para makuha natin yung energy, and siguro this will be one of my purpose to do this reading, and try something else. Subukan natin ng ibang style naman, no, para hindi lang yung barahan na lang tayo tutok. So this time it will be candle wax reading. So, I hope na nakapili na kayo ng file ninyo, and make sure na i-post no muna ninyo yung video bago ninyo or bago kayo pumili. So, follow your intuition and ask a question. Ano ang naghihintay sa iyo na dapat mong malaman at this moment? So again, as a reminder guys, this is general reading. I'm sorry na biglang loading ang kapatid ninyo dito. So, general reading, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakasunit. Hindi ito makakasunit sa lahat. And wag lang tayong bitter kung hindi man kayo nakakasunit. If ever na yung isang file na nakuha or napili ninyo ay hindi kayo nakakaresonate, then choose a different pile, or you can choose two piles if you want to, kung gusto ninyo. So, yeah, so start na natin ito. So, hello, pile number 1. Kamusta kayo dito? Okay, so ang gagawin natin, sisinihan ko itong kandilang ito sa pumili ng pulang kandila. This candle, the red candle, it's all about passion, love, joy, and your heart chakra. It's all about your heart chakra. Maybe you are activating your heart chakra right now. Siguro you are looking forward a new love, a new beginning. Wow, I'm already like channeling a message for you here. Okay, pasensya na guys, medyo Inglesera yung kapatid nyo ngayon. Mas komportable sa akin yung English kasi natakot ako minsan pag nagtatagalog ako, baka magkakamali lang o nabubulol lang ang kapatid ninyo. Okay, so Spirit Guardian Angels, what is this? Ano ang naghintay sa ating mga viewers? Pile number 1. Okay. Okay. Alright, tahimik lang muna tayo para makuha natin ang mensahe dito para sa inyo, kung ano ang naghihintay sa inyo. I'm trying to get an image dito sa reading na ito. Okay. Medyo nangangapa pa ako dahil first time ko po ito. Okay. I'm getting here someone is holding a baby while watching this video. Nakukuha ko yung energy mo dito, kapatid. Someone here is holding on this. Meron kayong pinanghahawakan. Malaking pinanghahawakan. It could be related sa pera. I'm also getting like, siguro you might be holding on into this promise. Until now, itong pangakong ito ay hawak-hawak mo pa rin. Bit-bit mo pa rin itong pinapangako mo. Maybe you have a huge promise. Siguro bumitaw ka ng isang promise. Yeah. You guys are holding this. I'm getting like an opportunity that you are holding on until now. Na hoping na bit-bit mo ito. Like, we say, pagka sa trabaho, yeah, na sana madala mo itong malaking package, itong regalo, itong mga pasalubong sa kanila, you are excited. Excited ka na madala ito para sa kanila. Na mabigyan sila ng pagkain or tulong, a flower. I'm also getting like someone. Yeah. Someone is waiting for you to receive this flower, a balloon. May nagpaplano na throwing a party for you. Okay. Mm, tahimik lang muna tayo dito. I'm also getting like, maraming tao or maraming mga followers mo dito. Kung ikaw itong YouTuber or a social media or you know what I mean. Kung ikaw itong lagi napopost sa social media, maraming nafa-follow sa'yo sa mga post mo. I'm also getting like siguro ikaw ditong hinihintay mo makapag-travel. So siguro you are packing your things. So yeah, so get ready kapatid because there's an opportunity for you na magta-travel ka or malapit ka nang uuwi or somehow may pupuntahan ka na dapat mong na dapat kang mag-impake. Okay. Meron ditong you might be working so hard. You need to relax. Kailangan mong mag-relax kapatid. Kailangan mong siguro kailangan mo ng day off. Lately siguro pa nagtrabaho mo and you need to listen to your body. Pakinggan mo ang iyong katawan. Yeah. Okay. Ano pa nakukuha natin dito? Someone is watching you happy. May taong ditong natutuwa pag masaya ka. Yeah. I'm also getting like a children. Natutuwa sila na makita kang nakangiti. You know what? Someone who is waiting for you na makipagtalik to have sex with you. Wow. Itong taong ito ay minamanifest ka na makipag-sex sa kanya. Wow. Grabe naman to. Pasensya na ha. Medyo brutal. Someone is waiting for you na makauwi ng bahay. Yeah, it could be your partner. Maybe this could be you kasi minsan nagkaka-reverse yung energy natin. Yeah. Meron ditong pinagpapantasyahan ka na, ano pa yan, parang tumatayo yung, ano niya. Nakikita ka lang, tumatayo na yung ari niya. You know what I mean? I'm sorry guys, pero it's really, this could be your partner na hinihintay ka. Pagka lalo na, kayo lang dalawang naiiwan sa bahay or waiting for this opportunity na magkatakpo kayo. This person is planning. Ang taong ito ay pinaplano na to make love. Yeah. Mag-date. Okay. Siguro nagpaplano kayong, if you guys want to do something, maybe this is the right time for you na magpunta ng mga garden. If you need to spend time alone, that's all right. Okay lang. Kasi kailangan din ng katawan natin to refresh our energy. Kasi minsan parang napupuno ka na. And you need this. Kailangan mo to. Kailangan mong time alone. Kasi minsan kasi parang exhausted ka na or suffocated ka na sa mga tao sa paligid mo or sa mga environment. Pagod ka na. So, kailangan mo rin ng time alone. Kahit na matulog ka lang, okay lang yan para ma-regenerate yung energy mo. Para mawala yung, o mapawi itong problema mo. If you want to spend time with your friends, go ahead. This is the right time for you. I'm also getting like, there will be like more party for you, kapatid. Ito ay naghihintay sa'yo. And maybe you are waiting for this party or gathering with friends. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Meron dito magbibigay ng bulaklak sa'yo, kapatid. Someone wants to be romantic. Meron ditong gustong babawi. Gusto maging romantic para sa'yo. Or may mag-confess sa'yo ng love. Again, red candle is all about love, passion. Malakas talaga dito yung yung making love. Someone is waiting for you to make love. Someone is planning to see you. Itong taong ito ay pinapanood ka or nakatingin sa'yo palagi, kahit sa social media, kahit na nakikita ka lang, meron itong nagpapantasya sa'yo, tumatayo na yung ano niya. You know what I mean? Kung anong tumatayo sa kanya. Okay? Or kung ikaw itong lalaki, masculine, na pinapantasyan mo itong taong ito, you are waiting to see this person, and naalala mo lang siya, tumatayo na yung ari mo. Anyway, pasensya na. Malakas talaga itong ari itong tumatayo. Okay. I'm also getting like, you have a dog, itong asong ito, or kung wala ka namang aso, siguro you have a spirit animal, it's around you. Andyan lang siya. Lalong-lalo na kung physically andyan yung pusa or aso or pet mo, they are waiting for you. They are happy to see you. Excited sila na yung amo nila na makakauwi na or makakasama nila. Okay. Oops. Kahayaan na lang natin ng ganyan. Alright. So, tingnan pa natin kung ano makikita nating image. Okay. Hold on. So, I'm also getting like, you are flying high, kapatid. So, mangarap ng mataas, libre ang mangarap ng mataas. And then again, ikaw itong nag-i-elevate yung buhay mo. I'm also getting like spirituality. Yeah, your spirituality is like, you are elevating. Lumilipad ka na. O parang, dahan-dahan ka ng step by step elevating, umaakyat. Yeah. And enjoy life with your children. Yeah. Ang mga anak mo, kung ikaw may mga anak, they are looking forward na madala mo sila sa espesyal na lugar. Siguro sa playground, I'm also getting like a playground or somewhere na you could be attending to like a party kung saan marami mga bata o marami mga tao. And the kids, itong mga batang ito ay they are looking forward na to be with you, to take them away somehow, or madala sila sa kung saan matao, na sila ay maging masaya, happy family. Ika nga. Yeah. Okay. I'm also getting like, maybe you need to experience. Maybe you're looking forward to experience something new. And go ahead, the universe is urging you to try something else if you want to. Kasi minsan, may childhood, meron kasing childhood dito. You want to experience this something new, something different na matutuwa ka. And go ahead. This is like, it's gonna be happening. If you want to do this with, siguro meeting up, there could be a meeting up for you with your classmates or reunion. It's gonna happen. Ito ay naghihintay sa you in the nearest future. There will be like a reunion for you to attend. And if you're going to a gathering, your children will be happy. You will be happy as well. Matutuwa ka, matutuwa ang mga tao sa paligid mo. Okay? There will be like a huge feast. Meron itong malaking kainan. Wow. And then again, as a reminder, kung ikaw itong nagda-diet, ingat-ingat sa mga kinakain. Yeah. And I'm also getting like, ingat-ingat sa something about sa kinakain mo, that could be lead you like a sickness, or magkakasakit, lalo-lalo na sa mga anak mo, or sa mga tao sa paligid mo, yung mga kapatid mo, pamilya. Ingat-ingat sa mga kinakain, guys, ha. I'm also getting like sickness, sakit, baka ito ay magdudulot ng sakit. Okay? Or mga rashes, allergy. Yeah. Okay. And if you want, I'm also getting like, kung gusto mo magbuntis, this will be a right time for you, or conceiving, na mabuo itong baby mo. Kung gusto mo itong mabuo. There is a chance na you are fertile. Whenever you watch this video, somehow, kung ang video ito ay nagpakita sa'yo ng 1 week from now, somehow hindi ka naman follower, and you are meant to watch this video. Baka yung guardian angel mo, kasi meron ditong marami kang guardian angel. You have a lot of spirit animals, spirit guides, spirit teams. They are guiding you, they are leading you. Especially if you are asking help, they are there. Sending you a guidance, gabay. Binibigyan ka na ng gabay. And thank you for following, okay? Itong mga gabay, itong mga binibigay na advice para sa'yo. And again, kailangan mo talaga makinig. Pakinggan mo ang sarili mo. Hindi lang yung mga tao sa paligid mo, pakinggan mo rin ang sarili mo kung ano ba talagang gusto mo mangyari. And ingat-ingat sa iyong temper, sa iyong galit. Baka later on, madali kang magalit or you might be receiving a news na bigla kang magalit. And mag-ingat-ingat sa mga kinakain mo, kapatid. You might be gaining weight. Yung iba sa inyo dito. Yeah. And I'm also getting like someone will be receiving a huge amount, a huge blessing. Guys, as a reminder, maraming klaseng blessing. Financially, love, health. Yeah. And kung ano itong hinihiling mo, ibibigay ng universe very soon para sa'yo. You will be receiving this. And mag-ingat-ingat sa tao. Mag-ingat-ingat sa mga minamanifest mo. Okay? Or pinapaplano mo na darating or expectation na darating na mangyayari. I'm getting like someone might just gonna ruin your plan. So mag-ingat-ingat. At kasi meron ditong parang may gusto ditong mag-aatake sa'yo. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting like yeah, meron kasi akong nakukuhang energy na biglang may magagalit dito. Yeah. You might be getting a message or somehow may malalaman kang information na siyang magbibigay o magdudulot sa'yo ng galit. And again, mag-ingat-ingat sa or think twice before you throw all that anger bago mo ilabas yung galit mo, ano? Yeah. And I'm also getting like you will be so happy receiving this good news yung iba sa inyo. Okay? And again, mag-ingat-ingat kung sino itong sinishare mo sa mga blessings mo. Kasi meron itong naiinggit. Yeah. So, let's get a message. Okay? Meron tayong bago naman dito, mga lucky charm natin. Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels, ano ang mensahe na dapat malaman ng ating mga viewers at this moment? Kunting lucky charm lang kukunin natin, ano? Okay. Sana ba yung pen ko? So, we have here a tree. So, yes, it looked like a tree. Parang puno din. And we have here a fish. A fish is a blessings. Yeah, and the moon. Meron ditong uulanan ng blessings. This is like an ancestors. Yeah, so, whatever you asking for, your ancestors is there to guide you, giving you the answer. Binibigyan ka ng sagot, binibigay sa iyo yung hinihiling mo. Meron ditong an instant blessings na ibibigay sa iyo ni universe. Lalo-lalo na kung hinihingi mo na magkaka-baby ka ng lalaki. Wow, napaka-specific. Ibibigay ni universe to para sa iyo. Itong from your ancestors. Yeah, you are growing, kapatid. Yeah. Spiritually, you are growing. Kaya kasi sinasabi ko kanina, di ba, spiritually, para kang lumilipad, something like improving. And again, you are receiving this abundance. Stay tuned in. Yeah. Believe in yourself, believe in heaven, believe in God, and believe in your ancestors. Andyan lang sila. They are, sometimes, they might be pretending like an animal form. Minsan nagpe-pretend sila na like a dog, a cat. It's like your spirit animals. I'm also getting like one of your spirit animals is a fish. They are there guiding you, watching you. And a wish. Itong pinapanalangin mo, it's like, it's about to come true. Halfway. I'm also getting like, halfway, it's about to come true. Itong minamanifest mo, itong pinapangarap mo. Itong hinihiling mo. Halfway through, makakamit mo na ito. Yes, there will be, this is the cloud. It's like, siguro, somehow, yung mentality ng iba dito, it's like, clouded. Siguro yung vision mo, hindi mo siguro nakikita yung pangyayari. Maybe there's like a blockages, I'm sorry. So again guys, as a reminder, pakilakasan na lang ng video kung hindi nyo na, kung medyo mahina itong volume dahil hindi ko gamit yung microphone ko ngayon. Pakilakasan na lang po ng volume para mas naintindihan nyo o narinig nyo ng maigi yung boses ko dito. So at this moment or whenever you watch this video, siguro right now you are mentally clouded. Overthinking, overanalyzing. Sa paanong paraan ba mabigyan ng solusyon itong problema ko? Okay? But then again, as a reminder, you just have to remind yourself. Manalangin ka, mag-meditate ka. Ipanalangin mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay na, or family and friends na nasa heaven, na pumanaw na sa mundong ito. They are there watching you, guiding you. Marami kang mga spirit teams. Most likely ancestors. They're watching you. Especially, meron itong nagtatago sa ulap. Sa ngayon, hindi mo man nakikita because you are feeling clouded. Yung isipan mo, hindi mo pa nakikita yung pangyayari because it's hidden. Nakatago na muna. Slowly, wish come true is about to happen. Mangyayari ito. Okay? So, hingi na tayo ng advice from the universe more. So, more on spirituality na nag-i-evolve para sa iyo, kapatid. And, ang naghihintay sa iyo, more on clearing. Okay? So, para mas maging clear itong emotion mo, itong mga clouded emotions mo, you need to pray more. Spend time with the family. If you want to spend alone, go ahead. Spend time on a forest or sa garden para mas ma-clear itong mga clouded memories or clouded emotions. Our spirit angels, final advice ng aking mga viewers, please. Release and surrender. So again, release and surrender. I-release nyo na yung mga heavy burdens, itong mga nabablock itong mga blessings, itong mga minamanifest ninyo, is because you are still holding on. Dahil hawak-hawak mo pa rin yung puot, yung galit, yung mga unwanted. Dapat mga unwanted, hindi na kailangan to alalahanin pa eh. Dapat ipasa Diyos mo na lang ang lahat. Surrender mo sa lahat ang problema mo, itong mga hinihiling mo. Yeah. Whatever you are asking, surrender it. Surrender mo sa Panginoon. We shower you with blessings of our radiant love. Open your arms and release and the challenges that you've held tightly grip with your hands. Open your hands, arms, and heart to our love and assistance. Again, red candle is love, passion. Yes. So, surrender. Ibigay mo ang lahat ng problema mo, yung mga hinanaing mo sa Panginoon. Ipanalangin mo ito and surrender para mabigyan ng clarity itong mga emosyon mo, itong mga hinanaing mo. Siguro, meron kasi ditong until now hindi ka pa nakapag-move on. So again, you need to move on. Let God, let the universe handle all of this to give you clarity. Para yung wish fulfillment ay ma-achieve mo ito. Okay? So hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. And sana nakaresonate kayo dito sa aking first candle wax reading. And I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. Bye! Thank you! Hello, pile number 2. Kamusta kayong lahat dito? So, ang reading natin ngayon, ano ang naghihintay sa'yo na dapat mong malaman at this moment. So, this is timeless reading. Whenever you watch this video, you are meant to watch this video or this reading. Okay? And again, this is a general reading. Kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi naman, wag lang tayong bitter. So, kung if ever na hindi ka nakaka-resonate sa buong reading ng pile 2, then maybe you should choose pile number 1. So, baka makaka-resonate kayo sa pile number 1 natin. Okay. So, start na natin itong reading na ito. Pile number 2. This is our first candle wax reading. So, congratulations sa ating lahat. Yeah. So, Purple candle, whoever choose purple candle is it's all about spirituality, your manifestation. Okay. And this is also prosperity. Okay. So, pakilakasan na lang po ng inyong video na ito, itong volume, kasi hindi lahat pare-parehas yung gadgets. Merong iba na masyadong mahina, may iba naman na malakas naman. So, I'm getting the energy that someone is watching you from afar. Meron dito nakatutok sa'yo. May stalker. Meron kang stalker, kapatid. This person is waiting for you, na mapansin mo siya. Okay. Pasensya na, medyo mahina or mabagal. I'm trying to get the energy from this reading. First time na ito ng kapatid ninyo. So, medyo nangangapa pa ako sa image. Someone here is parang tulog ng tulog. Maybe you need to relax, mga kapatid. That's okay. Pakinggan niyo po ang inyong katawan. Kung kayo ay pagod na, then you have to stop. Pakinggan ninyo ang inyong katawan. Kung kailangan mo mag-relax, mag-relax kayo. Okay. I'm also getting like, guys, when it comes to your health, kumain kayo ng mga green foods. Mga gulay, prutas, healthy foods, para mas manatiling healthy ang inyong katawan. Okay. Meron ditong parang lumalaki at lumalaki yung suso. If ever na yung suso ninyo, pasensya na ha, medyo weird yung laki, maybe it's time for you na magpa-check up, kapatid. Okay. Meron ditong someone is so in love with you. I'm also getting like ang daming ang dami mong admirer. Habulin ka. Yeah. Even if you are in a relationship, someone is waiting for you na to break up with your current partner, na sana ay mapansin mo siya. This person is wanting to make love with you. This person is waiting the opportunity. Yeah. Na maging kayo. Yeah. This person is like you might be an animal lover. Yeah. Someone wants to be also get like someone wants to be like you. Wow, hanggang dito na lang. So, biglang nag-stop na yung candle. So, hanggang dito na lang. Okay, huwag na tayong makipag-away pa. First time natin to. So, ganun talaga. Okay lang yan. So, kuha tayo ng image. So, I'm getting that you might be spending more time on shopping. Meron dito maluho. Gusto magsha-shopping. So, kung ayaw mo namang mag-shopping, kung gusto mong mag-ipon, you need to control yourself. Kontrolin mo ang sarili mo sa pagbibili ng mga bagay na hindi naman kailangan. And I'm also getting like, mag-ingat-ingat kayo, guys. Mag-ingat-ingat kayo at baka kayo ay madisgrasya. Yeah. That's the energy that I'm getting. Mag-ingat-ingat para hindi kayo madisgrasya. Especially if you're going out with your animal, with your pet. If you are a dog sitter, a cat sitter, or a cat lover, mag-ingat-ingat. I'm also getting like, when I say mag-ingat-ingat, with your, kung ikaw itong dog sitter or animal sitter, you know what I mean, yung lumalabas or nilalabas yung mga aso, pusa, it might cause conflict, baka mag-aaway ito. So, kailangan talaga naka-leash, okay? Yeah, ano yung leash, yung lieg ng hayop o yung animals o yung binabantay yung hayop para hindi ito magkaroon ng conflict or madisgrasya sa labas. So, mag-ingat-ingat. Okay. So I'm also getting an image of travel. You might be traveling. Yeah. Maybe you might be traveling to a place like, marami kasi mga traveler dito, mga viewers or who choose pile number 2. Maybe you have been manifesting this pagka-travel, and itong pagka-travel, kung hindi pa ito nangyayari sa'yo, you will be traveling. Pile number 2. Okay. I'm also getting like, you might be going to like a mountain. Siguro pupunta ka sa isang mag-hiking or magpi-picnic. O siguro you are getting an idea. Maybe this is a good time for you na magpunta sa forest. Yeah, hiking, bundok. Maybe this is you who loves hiking. Okay? And maybe this is the right time for you to hang out, mag-enjoy. Yeah, enjoy the mother nature. I'm getting like it's the moon. Hold on, let me just get this card. Why this the moon? Why I'm getting the energy of the moon? Spirit getting, just tell me more about this the moon. Okay, someone is having okay, I'm hearing like an affair. So, pay attention, guys. Okay, pay attention, guys. Maybe when it comes to a relationship, huwag kayong madala sa mga bola ng either lalaki or babae. Wala tayong gender dito. So, mag-ingat-ingat kayo sa mga scammer. Baka meron ditong binubula ka. Okay? Kasi I'm getting like, it's like a lover with the moon. So, be careful with this person. Itong kasalamuha mo ngayon. It could be a chatmate, or maybe you're currently in a situation, relationship right now. Mag-ingat-ingat because this person have a hidden agenda. May tinatago itong taong ito. Or especially if ikaw tumapera, mag-ingat-ingat kasi itong taong ito, this person might be just wanted to steal something from you. Baka dandahan niya or baka dahan-dahan ka ng ginagamit o ninakawan. Alright? So, mag-ingat-ingat and follow your intuition. Yeah. Or siguro marami ng mga tao nakapansin sa taong ito and maybe you don't believe in this. Siguro hindi mo to pinapakinggan. Okay? Okay. Ang dami mo mga followers. I'm getting the energy from pile 1 and pile number 2. Okay? So maybe you guys watch two piles. Ang dami mo mga followers, ang dami nag-admire sa iyo. I'm also getting like a group of people is like admiring your relationship as well. Ina-admire nila yung pamilya mo, ina-admire nila yung, I'm also getting like your looks, yung kagandahan, kaya maraming nakakagusto sa iyo. Kahit na even if you are in a relationship, yung iba sa inyo dito, even if you are already in a relationship, kahit na may karelasyon ka na, these people are still waiting. Hinihintay nila na maging single ka. You are attracting this so much people. Katrabaho, kapitbahay, even sa social media. Okay? And even sa pamilya, people are watching you, how you deal with your family members. How you deal, kung paano mo na-erase ang mga anak mo. Especially sa relationship. They wanted to know Parang ang daming mga marites sa buhay mo. Okay? And you know what? You don't have to be around with these people. Hindi mo kailangan na makisalamuha pa sa kanila o makipagplastikan pa sa kanila. And you know who they are. Alam mo kung sino sila. Alam mo kung sino itong mga pinagsasabi ko or ibig kong sabihin. Yeah. Someone is manifesting you. Someone is manifesting you, kapatid. Someone is watching you. Malakas talaga itong pinapanood ka. Even sa social media. Kung ikaw itong YouTuber. Okay? Siguro marami ka pang followers. Mas nabibuild pa, mas nagiging interesado sila sa mga, we'll say, readings, or sa mga content mo, sa mga pinupost mo. Yeah. People is nosy. Gusto nila malaman yung mga ganap mo. Okay? Okay, yung iba sa inyo dito, you will be busy getting ready for your children, or getting ready, or something. Meron ditong magiging busy ka. Siguro kaya nga siguro mag-attend ka ng party, or somewhere na you have to get ready. Or maybe you really have to get ready. Let's find out what is all about this to get ready. Spirit Angels, ano ang dapat na i-get ready ng ating mga viewers dito ng pile number 2? What is this all about? Itong get ready. Ito ay hinihintay nila. Okay. Alright. So, get ready mga kapatid, because itong hinihintay mo, posisyon, money, mag-i-elevate yung finances mo. You will be happy sitting on your throne. You have to be the boss, or especially sa finances mo na mag-i-elevate ito. Yeah. There will be like hawak-hawak mo, or makukontrol mo ang iyong finances, iyong financial. Okay? So to get ready. And I know you have been manifesting for this opportunity. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, wow. Pagka-travel, love life. Yeah, wealthy. Siguro ikaw pa ay maging mas mayaman pa. Wow, you guys will be more blessed from the universe. Okay? And again, kung ikaw itong may pera or mayaman, you don't have to tell anybody. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan na sabihin sa lahat ng mundo kung magkano yung kinikita mo, kung magkano itong binibili mo. Just be careful kasi marami nitong naiinggit. And respect. Kailangan talaga learn, we just have to learn boundaries, respect from people na kung magkano bang kinikita nila, kung magkano ba yung profit. You know what I mean? But then again, pag once na kumikita ka, mas nagiging tumataas o dumudoble yung kita mo, hindi mo kailangan na sabihin sa lahat kung magkano. You have to be careful who you are trusting with. Mag-ingat-ingat ka kung sino itong pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Because one day, you might be dealing with a scammer. Or bubulahan ka lang. Kasi alam nilang may pera ka. So, mag-ingat-ingat kapatid. Okay? So, I guess, hanggang dito na lang sa candle wax reading natin. Kunin muna natin yung advice ng universe para sa iyo. Ano? My spirit angels. So, again, yung iba sa inyo dito magta-travel. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, wealth, pera, posisyon, or finances mo ay dudoble, or mas lalawak pa ito. There will be more improvement sa iyo in the future. Ito ay darating. Ito yung hinihintay mo na mangyari. Okay, when it comes to your finances. Alright? Okay. Meron itong hihingi ng pagpapatawad, hihingi ng tulong. So, feel free guys. Share your blessings. Ika nga, kung kayo ay kikita, share your blessings din naman, no? Para naman mas magamit natin yung purpose kung bakit binigyan tayo ng blessings ng universe. Hindi pwede magiging greedy o maging mukhang pera o maging selfish. Kasi anytime, pwede itong babawiin ng universe. Alright, spirit angels, advice. Final advice from, you know what, before the advice, kunin muna natin itong lucky charm natin. Okay, medyo maingay. Medyo paki-lower the volume na lang. Alright. Okay. Okay. Meron akong nakukuha energy dito na someone wants to help you. Meron ditong gusto mag-ihingi ng tulong, magpapaturo sa'yo. Okay, this person is waiting for you na matulungan mo siya. Okay. This could be like a tarot reading, related sa tarot reading. Okay. But then again, guys, as a reminder, when it comes to your health, kung meron ka nakakaramdam ng kakaiba sa katawan mo, seek for guidance or seek towards the doctor's help. Humingi kayo ng tulong or magpa-doktor kayo. Okay? Okay. Spirit guide angels, what's the message, advice, o naghihintay sa ating mga viewers dito? Okay. Alright. Kanina nakuha ko yung parang mermaid. I'm also getting like energy of mermaid. Hold on. So, confirm natin to mga kapatid. Itong, hold on. Yes, itong, yeah, this is like a wheel of fortune. Or you could be traveling. So, one day, itong hinihintay mo kapatid ay mangyayari na in 7 days, 7 weeks, maybe 7 months. You'll be traveling. Meron ito magta-travel. Okay? And, kanina nasabi ko kanina yung image na mermaid, di ba? So, this is like a transformation. Meron itong transformation, changes, pagbabago, especially when it comes to spirituality. Yeah. And, continue meditating, manifestation, kasi yung manifestation ninyo is about to happen. You are destined to receive this manifestation, na ma-receive ito, na to fulfill this, itong hinihintay mo na manifestation, especially when it comes to your finances. Ikaw ay ngingiti muli. Lalabas na yung tuwa mo, matutuwa ka sa good news. It's like, you will be getting like a good news. Ito ay kakatuwa mo. There could be like an offer for you. Travel, or sa trabaho, or something about related sa finances na ito ay dudoble. Itong minamanifest mo, itong hinintay mo. This could be related sa Middle East. Maybe ikaw ito nagtatrabaho sa Middle East. A camel. Okay? And, I'm sorry. So, I'm also getting like someone is watching you from afar. Okay? A family member, or I'm also getting like, maybe you have a guide, it's like a guide. Yeah, it's like a Tinkerbell. Yeah, it's like a Tinkerbell, or yeah, it's like a Tinkerbell. Ano ba yan? Hold on. Yeah, it's like a Tinkerbell watching you. Yeah. Okay. You have a spirit team of like an image of Tinkerbell watching you. Yeah. Maybe you have a friend. You are guiding by this friend. Spirituality. Even it could be an angel. Your guardian angel spirit teams watching you from afar. Yeah. They want you. Gusto nila na ma-achieve mo itong pangako mo or itong pangarap mo. Yeah. There is a wish is about to come true. Meron itong pangarap mo or pinapangarap mo na it's about to happen. Huwag ka lang mawala ng pag-asa. Kailangan mo talaga na you have to believe in yourself. Pakinggan mo yung sarili. Especially destiny is about to hit towards your clock, towards you. Ikaw ay magta-travel. Hawak-hawak mo ang sagot. And especially you guys are very intuitive. Yeah. You will be flying high. You are bound. Itong hinihintay mo. Destiny mo ito makapag-travel. Destiny mo ito na magiging boss ka. Destiny mo na ito na dodoble yung kinikita mo. Na mas lalago po itong finances mo. Itong minamanifest mo. You guys are good at manifestation. Keep going. Your manifestation is about to happen. Malapit ito mangyari. Okay? Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, final message for all my viewers here. File number 2 viewers. Sana kayo ay nakaresonate at this moment. Oops, sorry. Wow, you guys really like have this purple energy. I'm getting the energy of purple. Malakas talagang purple. You guys can check nyo po online kung anong ibig sabihin ng purple energy. So, assertiveness. This situation can be healed gently with love as you requested. Yet there's also a need for your strength and truthfulness with the others, people involved. We will stand right behind you as you speak your truth, giving you strength and guiding your works. So again, you just have to be truthful. Kailangan talaga sabihin mo yung totoo or this is the right time for you na magpakatotoo ka, kapatid. Hindi mo kailangan na laging maglilihim. You know what I mean? Yeah. Especially, meron kasi ditong malihim din eh. And, dapat talaga limited lang, ano. But again, hindi mo naman kailangan na i-voice out lahat-lahat. Kahit na yung pera mo, or, I'm getting like someone is holding on to this secret. Very secretive. But then again, when it comes to your feelings, you have to be truthful. Ipakita mo yung totoong nararamdaman mo. Yeah. But because the more na naging open ka sa nararamdaman mo, it will give you more strength. Nagiging mas matatag ka. It gives you like more confident. Mas nagiging confident ka sa ginagawa mo, sa gusto mo mangyari, sa mga nararamdaman mo. Yeah, let it out. Ipakita mo yung pagiging gentle side mo. Yeah. Mahilig kang kumanta, mahilig kang to get para makakuha ka ng lakas ng loob or a vibe na positivity. Maybe you should try to get your creativeness. Siguro ikaw tong magaling sa kanta, sa music, or sa banda. Maybe you like hearing music. And again, music gives you this strength. Any music. Okay? Ito ay nagbibigay sa iyo ng good vibes. And continue. And this is also a message for you na if you feeling down, feeling na parang kailangan mo ng lakas ng loob or kailangan mo ng something na vibe ng positivity, maybe this is the right time for you to listen to a music. Makinig ka ng magandang ng tugtog. Somehow, I'm getting like while listening the music, your guiding your spirit guides or guardian angels, they are sending you a message. So pay attention guys through music. Yeah, or something siguro sa TV na maririnig ninyo, there's a message hidden. Okay? Na dapat nyong malaman. So, pay attention sa mga naririnig ninyo. I'm sorry, ano ba yan? Yeah. Okay. So, hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana kayo ay nakaresonate. Pasensya na medyo slow yung reading natin. And sana ay sana ay masaya kayo dito sa reading nito. You know what? I'm getting the energy like a spirit animals. Okay? Spirit animals, please give us a message from for your viewers here, pile number 2. White Stag Protector. You are an old soul. Your best friend is nature. Use your intuition to take you where you want to go. So, follow your intuition, guys. And, pakinggan mo sarili ninyo. Awaken to the powerful force within you. You are meant to create blessings with your magic. So, again, you guys are very powerful. You guys are very, magaling kayo sa manifestation. Most likely sa manifest ninyo, nangyari ito. Butterfly, rebirth. This is like a new beginning. Abundance. So again, purple. So check nyo yung meaning ng purple energy. You can reinvent yourself. Open to the rewards of change. You have brilliance to share with the world. Love every part of your journey. So kahit saan man kayo napadpad o napunta, kahit saan man kayong napalok ng mundo, enjoy life and love yourself, love whatever happened to you, mahalin nyo ang nangyayari sa inyong buhay, and embrace yourself, or embrace who you truly are, mga kapatid, because you are being loved, and you deserve love, and you are protected, and you are, you have this old soul. Alam mo kung anong gusto mo, you are a go-getter, yes, and follow your intuition. Sundin nyo kung ano ang sinasabi ng puso ninyo, yung intuition ninyo, because your intuition is guiding you. Your old soul is guiding you. Okay? So hanggang dito na lang. Sana ay nakaresunit kayo. I love you guys and congratulations sa ating first candle wax reading at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dito. And again, I hope to see you guys in my next reading. Bye!